Hi YouTube. I thought I'd show the nomads out there that are just starting out how we make coffee. If you have a camp stove or some type of fuel source, get you one of these. I don't even know what they're called. We put a coffee filter in ours. It helps reduce the grounds in it. And 2 tablespoons of coffee if you like just a regular strength, I guess. You can put more or less in it. You'll have to work with it to see what you like. You're going to turn the heat on high at first and let it come to a boil, and you're going to see it bubbling up in that little glass bead there. And you want to kind of wait until you start to see brown. You want it to be clear. Once you see that, set the timer for 4 minutes. And that's it. Real easy. The coffee's really good. We prefer this over a coffee maker. And we use powdered milk because it's a lot easier to store and it's cheaper. Thanks for watching. I forgot to add that you want to turn the heat down to about medium-low once it starts bubbling brown in that little glass bead. I just added a really cool scenic view I videoed the other day. If you look, that's water down towards the bottom, and you can see the clouds aren't moving. So hope you enjoy that. Thanks for watching. Bye.